Hello dear viewers. The model of phone that I have in my hand is Vivo Y16. This phone is Vivo Y16. Now I'll show you how to increase the RAM on this phone and how to enable extended RAM in Vivo Y16 phone. If you want to extend your phone RAM or increase your phone RAM, for this first your phone at first restarting. When your phone is restart complete and when your phone is turned on, you will find the option called settings. With the option called settings, then you have to click on it, the option called settings. After click on settings, it will be presented with many options from here, and then you will see an option called search icon. Then you have to click on it, search icon. After click on it, search icon, you just type the search box EXTENDED. You just write search box extended and you will see an option called extended RAM. Then you have to click on it, extended RAM, and you will see an option called extended RAM. And if you want to enable your phone RAM 4GB extended, you just turn it on this option and wait 5 seconds and you will see an option called restart now. Then you have to click on it, restart now. When your phone is turned on, so your phone RAM is fully increases and your phone RAM extended for 4GB. Go to about phone and show your phone RAM 4GB plus 4GB extended. So viewers, this phone RAM finally extended 4GB. If you want to like this video, please